Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashish Mahamuni. In this video, we are going to do some benchmarking with virtual threads and platform threads. If you want to know more about virtual threads, please watch my video on virtual threads. You could find the link in the description box. Now we'll start our benchmarking. I have some code ready in my IntelliJ project. If you want to know how to enable preview channel in IntelliJ, again, please watch my previous video. That link will be available in my description box. So this is the code we'll be using for benchmarking purpose. So we'll look at the code now. First, I have added this scanner line. Uh, why? Because we need to connect to VisualVM tool into our Java process running on JVM. Once we are connected, we'll come back to console and hit the enter. So whenever we would need some time to connect our connect JVisualVM uh, profiler to our process. That's why we have added this scanner. So we'll see how we are going to use it. Next, we need to calculate time in microseconds. We are using start time to calculate end time and total time. We are using shutdown hook. So we are using this runtime get time at shutdown hook. We are passing one runnable, one thread to that process, and we will be printing total time at the end of in this whenever the shutdown hook is getting called. Next in the code, this is a dummy data code. We are using instream to generate dummy data of 10,000. We create required thread pool here, and we for platform we will be using work stealing pool, and for virtual thread we will be using virtual thread pool. We are using auto closable try for this thread pool so that we don't have to worry about shutting down that thread pool. After that, we are iterating this in string serially. We are not using parallel string. We are iterating serially. Next in the code, important part is our runnable task. This runnable task, in that we have created one array list. Next, we are sleeping this thread. I have written one function sleep here, and this sleep is actually nothing but thread.sleep, and it sleeps for 5 milliseconds. Okay, so simple function thread.sleep that we are calling. So we are sleeping this thread initially, and after this for loop, let's look inside this for loop. So we are iterating from number 1 to the number which is provided by this int stream. Remember, this int stream range is from 0 to 10,000. So each time whenever this number is we are iterating over this int stream, we are also iterating from for 1 to that number, and inside that what we are doing one simple math function, that is power function. We are calculating power of 3 of that number, and we are simply adding that number to our list. After that we are calling sleep function. So next is like after that we are creating this thread, and the reason we are using array list is to see memory footprint impact if we found any, and uh, we are submitting our task to our executor. We'll be using thread dot off platform and thread dot off virtual. Okay. Again, you will find more information about this, how to use this virtual thread and platform thread in JDK 21. Please see my previous video, and link will be available in description box. Next up is, yeah, so that's it. I mean, once we pass this executor service, we are done. So yeah, so we'll be doing 3 iterations. So let's run this program. Before that, let me start this visual VM. Okay, my visual VM is ready. Let me, yeah, we are ready. Let me run this program. Here we'll see one. Here we'll see one PID. I can see new program. We'll connect. We'll go to this monitor tab. Here we can see this connection has happened, and we are seeing live graph of CPU usage and heap memory. Now we'll hit enter. Let me, yeah. So I have hit after hitting enter, I can see some activity going on. So yeah, so process is still going on, and I'm seeing some CPU usage. It's not much, and you can see some spike here in memory usage. This is threads. You can see some live threads 13 here. The process is still going on, and I think yeah, it is done now. Let's go back. It's showing around 40 seconds, and yeah, so it has taken around 15,493 milliseconds. Okay, in the first repetition, we'll be doing one more round. Let's run it again. Go back to Visual VM. Yes, new process, new PID. We'll connect, and we'll go to monitor section and go back to editor and hit enter. So yeah, you can see again some spike in CPU usage. Heap activity is going on, and it should take around same time. We are just making sure that we'll be taking average of these two values eventually. Yeah, so it's somewhere about around 15,325, so it's almost same. Now let's go and change the code for virtual thread. So first of all, what I'm going to do is change this thread pool. Here I can see new virtual thread per task, and here I'm going to say virtual. So 15,000 something is the output that we got. Here we are seeing some memory usage. If you see here, you can see 55 MB with the peak of 200 MB, and here you will see 64 MB with the max of 300 MB. Now let's go to virtual thread. I'm going to click on run, and we'll jump to Visual VM. Connection happened. Yes, I'm getting live data, and I will hit the enter, and you will see that as soon as I hit the enter, the process is exited. So that fast virtual threads are processing this data, and you will see the memory footprint is also not that much, and CPU usage is like it happened for very short burst of time. Okay, we'll do it again. So it's showing 264 milliseconds. We'll do run it one more time. Connection happened. Yes, and hit the enter, and you will see 282 milliseconds. So final result, as you can see, is in front of you. Virtual threads are clearly winner here. So thanks for watching this video. We'll be doing more benchmarking videos in upcoming series, upcoming video series. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you are liking my content. Thanks for watching.